Hi, I'm Ken Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between gas and battery handheld equipment. So for most homes, what we've been used to is using gas-powered equipment, which meant mixing oil and gas, having to pull, maintain an engine. With battery-powered product, it's as simple as charging a battery, plugging in, and go. So you take a very similar product like the steel, and for a little bit more money, I like to think of it as, the batteries is buying your fuel up front, but it gives you a lot more peace of mind. So just simple as plugging it in, and it's ready to go. Also think about the variety of different products you can use with it. So typically you would have, this gas-powered blower, you would have a gas-powered trimmer, maybe a gas-powered edger separately. With this, and that's 3 different engines to maintain in that example. With this, you can use the battery for multiple things on Steel's platform in this case, and we also offer many different brands, Echo, DeWalt, and Toro. But also think about when you're using an occasional use product like a chainsaw, and think about the frustration it is when you have old gas in it and the chainsaw won't start. This is as simple as removing the battery out of this, putting it into the chainsaw, and away you go. Variety of different products to use. Steel has even gone as far as putting in pressure washers now, lawnmowers, all in the same battery platform. So in some cases, gas is going to be a better option. And one of those cases, if you got a larger yard, or if you have, say, like a lot of trees, then you need a bigger blower. So it's a more cost-effective, more powerful option to go with a gas backpack blower. And all the brands here generally offer a promotion that allows you to get extra batteries for a better price. So this was a general overview of gas versus battery, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Weingartz.